All right, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be going over how to reveal the price and when to reveal the price in any sales call.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency, so make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
So in the beginning of any sales call, you always want to touch on their touch points, customizing the offer to them and basically trying to find out if your system best fits them and if they actually do qualify. So finding out about their revenue, finding out about their current ad spend, finding out about, and it's not just for SMA owners, but also like other people in general. It's not just about running a social media marketing agency, but you want to reveal the price when you've came to the conclusion that, okay, I can solve this person's problem. They've enjoyed our conversation. The tonality is consistent. And now they're really ready because maybe I'm dragging out the conversation too long. Now I'm ready to give them the price. Okay, so it really depends on, what path you kind of take, because if you have payment plans, if you don't have commitments or a contract, it's a one-time fee, whatever the case may be. They don't have to commit for X amount of months. This is the way that we go with our SMA, and this is basically where we get to the price point, okay? So you either don't require a guarantee or a commitment, or you require a commitment or, whatever the contract is. So if they don't require any commitment, now usually to work with companies who can offer our level of dedication and the type of results we can deliver, they're going to require you to lock in to 6 to 12 months on average, sometimes even longer, which can be a little scary, especially if you are like 95% of people I talk to and have been burnt before in some capacity, which is why we are here at Wojo Media. We let our results speak for themselves and let our clients come and go as they please month to month. Obviously, in an industry as competitive as ours, we'd be crazy to do this unless we truly believe in our service, which we do. Okay, that's if we don't require any commitment. But if we do, we would say the same exact opener, but then we say, which is why here we only require a X month contract, which is 3. Because for one, we want you guys to be as comfortable as possible when getting started. And 2, regardless of what other companies may say, it should not take longer than X amount to see some good results. And we're confident that within that period, we'll deliver on our promises and you'll want to stick around for 6 to 12 months anyway. Now we go into the guarantee, and this is for SMA or service-based businesses or, biz op businesses, right? The guarantee, in fact, we're so confident we've literally built a guarantee around it. State your guarantee here. Now, if you don't have a guarantee, then you obviously skip that part. And this is where you do the closing section, okay? Now, as far as getting started, my fault. We do have some discounts you're open to take advantage of. Every now and then we run different promos based on what's going on in the company, and our current one is our time is money discount. You can call this discount whatever you want. It's basically a fast action discount for clients who are willing to sign up on the call. Right now, we're actually offering a discount for our clients who are ready to get started right away, since they're saving us the back and forth, the follow-ups and extra calls, which is saving us time we could be using to let clients book with us and handle existing accounts. If you don't already have a fast action discount, add $500 to $1,000 to your normal rates and mention to your clients that those are your normal rates. Then proceed to give them the discounted rates for them getting started right away. So you're giving them a fast action discount. Okay, so you're not really reviewing, the price just yet. Now, if everything makes sense and things seem like a good fit, what most clients have been doing lately is taking advantage of the time is money discount just because they save the money going that route. Did you want to do the same thing and move forward with the package today? Or you could say, did you want to do the same thing and see what our packages are today? Then you go into the packages, and then you would obviously, give them that fast action discount. So for us, we have like a $5,500 a month package. And then if they take that fast action, it's then, $4,500 or $4K, right? We're giving them a massive discount. They move forward. Our 3K package, if you move forward straight up now, you can get for $2,500 or $2K. Really just depends on the fast action discount, right? So that's how you basically reveal the price. And when you do reveal the price, you want to have tiers. And I want to go over the tiers real quick. So right now I'm going to show you the tiers, right? This is what we have. We have startup, growth, and accelerator, right? And then we'll say, we'll give them all the deliverables, everything on the call, and we go through all the deliverables with them on that Zoom, and then we basically will sell them on what we think is the best action possible, right? And they see these prices, they're saying, 4K, 5,500, whatever the case may be. That's where we give them the fast action discount. They see the tiers, and then obviously when you have 3 tiers, most popular is this, right? but you want to tailor it to their business, because if you're an SMA owner and they're not really like making at least $10,000, $15,000 a month, they can't really afford this or this. So that's where you would say, hey, listen, based on your revenue, based on your business right now, this would be the best package for you, but the fast action discount would put this down to $1,500. For this, it could put it down to $3K. For this, it could put it down to $4K. So you're giving them that fast action, because technically what you can do is the play of, hey, listen, our growth package and accelerator, your growth package doesn't include email and SMS. And if you do upgrade right now and take the fast action discount, you'll get email and SMS for the same original price that growth is, because it's $5,500. Your fast action discount brings it down to $4K, which is technically what the original price of growth is. So that's really where you would then position that offer. But I wanted to really go over this video because I got a lot of questions on it about some sales training, some sales skills, when to reveal the price, how you do it, and just kind of giving you guys some refinement in your sales process. So thank you guys for coming to today's video. If you did, please subscribe, like, and comment any questions you have about your sales process. Maybe you have a question about your sales script where I give you some feedback. Just comment down below, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to